In chapter Origin and Evolution of the Earth, in the previous session, we have gone through the evolution of Earth, and in this we have learned how the evolution of layered structure of Earth developed through the development of lithosphere, and how different realms of Earth like atmosphere and hydrosphere develop on this Earth. Now this is the last phase in the evolution of Earth related to the origin and evolution of life. This is very undoubtedly clear that initially the Earth or even the atmosphere of the Earth was not conducive, was not appropriate for the development of life. Modern scientists refer to the origin of life as a kind of chemical reaction. You can see today about the modern man. This earth has taken a long time since the Big Bang. Big Bang which took place 13.7 billion before, and then stars originated between 5 to 5.6 billion year before. Till the 600 million before, there was no life in any form on the earth. And between 430 to 570 million before, life just began in the seas only, in the form of marine life, fishes and small uh, organism which could survive in the seas only. Then between 400 to 430 million before, life occur in the on the land in the form of plants, and this happened in such a way, in such a systematic way, which you can understand well by this figure which have been given on page number 18 of your NCERT. Just see here the time period, geological time scales have been given, and the story of origin of life have given here from since the beginning, since the origin of universe which took place 30,700 million, means 13.7 billion before. Origin of sun 5 to 5,000 means 5 billion before, and see 3.8 billion to 4.8 billion period, oceans and continents were formed, and oceans and atmosphere were rich in carbon dioxide only. The means atmosphere here, hydrosphere as well as atmosphere was not conducive for the life till this date. And by 2.5 to 3.8 billion, blue algae, small microscopic organism just appear on this earth, and even 505 to 570 million between this period, there was no terrestrial life, only marine life was there in form of invertebrate. First fish appear between 4838 to 505 million before. First trace of life on land was in the form of plant was between 408 to 438 million period. Amphibian occur between 360 to 400 million before. First reptile occur between 286 to 360 million before. Reptiles replace the amphibians, means before this period amphibians was only there, then reptiles occur between 245 to 286 million before, and the period between 208 to 245 million, frogs and turtles appear on this earth. And there was a period of dinosaur between 144 to 208 million before. There are evidences related to this, and many movies, many small pictures have been directed on this topic. Then after this period, 65 to 144 million before, there was extinction of dinosaurs. Then Eocene period, rabbits, here, small mammals, rat, miles appear. Then by 2 to 5 million before, there was just early human ancestor appear here. Until 200 million before, just Homo sapiens were there, and the presence of modern man was there on earth before 10,000 years ago. No, now this was the way how life appear on this earth. Now question rise here before us. There are numbers of planets, there are numbers of stars here, numbers of solar system are there in this Milky Way galaxies and in other galaxies as well. But why life appear on this earth? There was reasons of life on earth only. Why? So we should know about this thing, and this is very interesting. Reason 1, on this earth breathable atmosphere here. There are other planets where atmosphere present over there, but the gases which are required for life is not available at any other plate in such a way which is available on this earth. For example, presence of oxygen in air and water as well. This is very important for life on this earth. Even the amount of CO2, the small amount CO2 is present on other gas planets as well, like Mars and Venus, but CO2 percentage, the proportion of this gas is very much. So that is very, highly dangerous for life there. So life is not possible in higher amount of CO2. The amount of CO2 that is less than 0.003%, that is just to maintain the temperature, appropriate temperature, which just absorb the solar radiation to keep the earth warm and cool. Even there are other GHG gases, greenhouse gases, which helps to maintain the atmospheric temperature. Even the ozone gas here protect us from the ultraviolet rays. So this is one breathable atmosphere, along with this oxygen gas which we use in breathing and release carbon dioxide. So such kind of atmosphere available on earth make life possible. Reason 2, its climate. It's not too hot, not too cool. The climate is not extreme here. Like there are other planets in our solar system like Jupiter, Saturn, Mars and Uranus. They are too far from the sun, due to which they are very cool. And the distance of Mercury and Venus is too close, due to which these planets are very hot. But the earth has an appropriate distance from the sun. Reason 3, the presence of water abundantly. Around 71% earth is covered by water, and water is a very important chemical for the life. It is drinkable and found in all the states, solid, liquid and gaseous form. And each and every form of water like solid, gaseous and liquid is very useful for human being. And this water which is drinkable, chemical, is very useful for human life. Light which we receive from the sun, from this the light which we from the sun help in the photosynthesis, helps in the growth of plants. rotation of earth in 24 hours on its axis is also very important, which is very useful to provide light on each and every part of the earth throughout the day. At least once in a day, each and every part of the earth receive solar radiation due to its rotation on its axis. And appropriate distance from the sun, we have already seen how the distance of sun, uh, distance of earth from the sun, which help us to makes our climate very conducive. So these are the reasons which due to which life is present on earth, right? Thank you.